Today, I'm going to show you how to create a lava effect in GIMP using the gmic plugin, and I'll keep it simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn plain text into a glowing molten lava style that looks perfect for posters, thumbnails, gaming graphics, and social media designs. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open GIMP and create a brand new document by going to File, then New. For the best lava look, start with a black background because the dark canvas helps the bright orange and red colors really stand out. You can keep the document at any size you want, but a wider canvas works great if you're making a banner or thumbnail. Next, select the text tool and type out the word or phrase you want to transform. Use a bold font if possible, because thick lettering gives the lava effect more surface area to work with and makes the final result look much more dramatic. Set the text color to white so it will be easy to select and process. Once your text is in place, make sure it looks centered and readable before moving on. With the new layer selected, go up to Filters and open gmic Qt. If you haven't installed the plugin yet, you'll need to do that first, but once it's available, this is where the magic happens. In the gmic window, use the search bar and type lava. This will help you quickly find the lava-related filter without having to dig through menus. Once the lava filter appears, click on it and start tuning the parameters. Depending on the version of gmic you're using, you may see different sliders and options, but the goal is the same. Make the texture look like flowing magma. Increase or decrease the settings until the pattern looks hot, organic, and uneven, like real molten rock. If the effect looks too soft, push the contrast a little higher. If it looks too busy, lower the intensity until it feels balanced. Take your time here, because this step controls the final style of your lava text. You want those bright, fiery highlights mixed with darker, cracked areas, so the surface feels alive and textured. You can preview the effect inside gmic before applying it, which makes it easy to test different looks until you find one that fits your design. When you're happy with the result, click Apply or OK to render the magma texture directly into your active selection. gmic will process the layer and apply the lava effect inside the shape of your text. After that, you can deselect the selection and inspect the result. If you want to make it even better, you can add extra glow, shadows, or color adjustments afterward to make the text pop more against the black background. At this point, you've created a lava effect in GIMP with gmic, and the result should look like fiery molten text with a strong dramatic finish. This is a great technique for logos, YouTube thumbnails, fantasy titles, and eye-catching graphic design projects. The more you practice with the parameters, the easier it becomes to create custom variations that look more realistic or more stylized depending on your project. If you found this tutorial useful, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets me make more step-by-step GIMP tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.